Artificial intelligence and generative AI and other emerging technologies are to be seen to be playing a key critical role over the coming years, especially in this decade, what we call till 2030. And now here the idea is that how India becomes sovereign in this, that is important so that we are not reliable on any other country and we have complete control on the data what we use and the kind of models what we create. For instance, the large language models, LLMs, what we have, which are used now to provide responses to human queries in a human-like fashion through, we have seen ChatGPT and other such solutions in this space. And now these models, which are largely supplied by multiple data and iterations, and these models are created. So in India as well, if we are heading towards sovereign AI, then we need to have that volume of data for us to create these LLMs and these solutions, these human-like responses, so that we generate our own sovereign AI system and capabilities, and which definitely can be used in the critical services, even beyond the civilian purposes. Now, so this movement is there, and for this, data has to be managed well in India. So data is being created. Now the data sharing, so we have data privacy bill and everything in place, but at the same time, a center has been proposed, in fact, for AI computing and usage of data. So here a lot of data has to be put in, and we as users needs to come up with data sharing solutions where the data is not that private to us, which can be shared and used for these particular critical centers to develop these models to create sovereign AI, in-house domestic artificial intelligence, to solve our problems. So that is one way to go ahead, and that is a decision at a wider forum to be taken on how the data and how critical and how private it has to be, and only used for developing these AI models. So now here, if we see the impact areas, then the impact sectors mainly, as of now, what we understand is health, education, and agriculture. So these are the sectors where huge impact will be there. For instance, in agri sector, now we are coming up with wearable plant sensors through smart electronics. So here a lot of sensors can be put in plants leaves to understand what kind of requirement and what is their current, all the data points can be seen, and better decisions can be made, and that too in fact integrated with a AI solution, an AI response that can guide us and ignite the right amount of water pouring or sunlight to that particular plant, and that way increasing in productivity of Indian agriculture. So that is one example of leveraging wearable plant sensors and AI to solve Indian agri productivity challenge. So in that way, a lot of things and a lot of ethical questions will come in the process, which has to be deliberated and resolved. So thank you.